Hi, so for today, I'm going to walk you through how to upload products on WooCommerce. So WooCommerce is an e-commerce plugin for WordPress. So see, for example, you're looking into setting up your e-commerce site. You can perfectly do that with WordPress. So you just have to set up the plugin for WooCommerce and then you're good to go. So to get started, we go over here, WooCommerce, and then products. Right below that is products. Then over here, you'll add new. Click add new. Okay. And then in this section here, you're going to add your product name. So for this training's purpose, we will pretend that we're going to upload this product right here. So it's called Bamboo Plate from Van Gogh Collections. So I'm just going to simply copy this part here. So this is the name of the product. Paste it. And then over here, we've got this paragraph box. So you'll just going to add a simple description of the product. So later on, I'm going to show you where it's going to end up later. Okay, so for this one, I'm just going to add this bit right here. Paste it. And then I'm just going to quickly move it into the center so it looks better on the layout. And after that, we're going to product categories. So the reason for adding product categories is that for your site visitors to be able to find your products easier when they visit the website. So for this plate, I'm going to categorize it under, let's say, kids mealtime. Then let's go and on the go. So you can also add it on the table, right? And then after your product categories, we're just going to add the slug right here. So for this one, it's bamboo plate. All right. Okay, so the slug is going to end up in the URL. So you're going to want to be specific on this one. So what I usually do is I just usually add in the proper name of the product in small letters. Okay, and then after that, we're going to add the meta description. For the meta description, you can take that from here. I'm just gonna add a one-liner, just this one. Okay, so it's like a quick preview of what the product's going to be when it ends up, when your site visitor sees it, when they find it at the search engine. Okay, so after that, we're going to set the price. For this one, just going to copy off this one right here. So that's $11.95. So I'm not going to set a sale price for this example, but you can definitely do so when you're trying to upload your own products onto your website. Okay, and then for the inventory, for the SKU, I won't be setting one for this one either. Okay. Right, so I'm just going to manage the stock and then add the stock quantity. Okay. Then once this is set, I'll just go over here and set the product image. Okay, so just a quick tip for uploading products. So say, for example, your website, you as the moderator of your website, you prefer square photos to be placed upon your e-commerce site. You can easily resize the photos using Canva. So there's actually a few ways to do it, but personally, I use this one as it's the fastest and easiest. So what I did was I simply place it right here. And then after that, the second photo, it's already set. So this size is 1080 by 1080. So once you're happy with the size, you're just going to click download And it's good to keep note that we'd prefer it. It will be preferable for you to set it at JPEG size so that your website won't slow down due to the size of the photo that you're going to upload. So it would be ideal to upload an image that's not bigger than 200 KB in size. Okay, so since I've already saved one earlier, I'm just going to go back right here and upload the main image. So once you've set that, you can also add another photo for the gallery image, so that there would just be variations on the views or the perspective of your product so that the buyer can examine it properly. Okay, then over here is another paragraph box. So you would want to add a longer description that would properly describe the details or the features of the product that you're uploading. So there's already a prepared copy for this example. I'm just going to go over and copy and paste this one. Okay. So as you can see, it's simple as that. Just going to add a few spaces on it. Okay. So once this is all set, you can just go over here on preview. And this will lead you to a sample listing of your product. So this is how it's going to look like from the front end. Okay. So we have the image right here. So this is the main image. And then you have the gallery photo here as well. Then this is your description, the price, and the payment scheme of your choice. Then over here, if you'll remember earlier, we had the first paragraph box wherein we put a brief description of the item. So it ended up right here. So once you're happy with that, you can just go over and publish it. Or if ever you want to delete it, just click move to trash right here. So I hope you were able to find this helpful. Thank you very much. Bye.